Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to hide all Facebook photos. Only me setting. You can easily do so from the Facebook website or mobile app. There are a variety of options for limiting who can see your post and who can message you through Facebook Messenger. Here's how can you do it. Tap the menu icon in the Facebook app. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Now, tap Settings. You'll see this just below Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Profile Details. You will see this under Audience and Visibility. And make your profile details private. On this screen, you can make some or all of this information visible to your friends only or even just to yourself. Tap the pencil icon or edit next to a section you want to make private. Then select Friends to make it visible to your friends only or Only Me to make it completely private. If you've created custom friends list on Facebook, such as close friends, you can select one of those lists instead. When you're finished, tap the back button until you've returned to settings and privacy. Then, make other people's posts and tags private. Content other people share on your profile may still be public, even if you've made your own post private. To make other people's posts and content you're tagged in on your profile private, tap Profile and Tagging on the Settings and Privacy page. By default, only your friends can post comments, photos, videos, and links to your profile. If you don't want your friends to post on your Facebook profile, select Only Me. Tap Who can see what others post on your profile to make other people's posts on your Facebook timeline visible to friends, specific friends, friends except, or Only Me. In the tagging section, you can control who can see posts and photos you're tagged in. Set both options to friends or Only Me. If you want to be able to see and approve the posts and tags from others before they show up on your profile, tap both options under Review, then select On for each. When you're finished, tap the back button to return to Settings and Privacy. And make it harder for people to find you. It's surprisingly easy for people you don't know to find your Facebook profile. By default, anyone on Facebook can request to add you as a friend. If you're getting too many requests, select Friends of Friends instead. If somebody has your phone number or email address, they can use it to find you on Facebook. If you find that unsettling, choose Friends, Friends of Friends, or Only Me for these options. Anyone who looks at your Facebook profile can see your friends list. To make it more private, choose Friends or Only Me. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next video.